Hi, today we're sharing our favorite brownie recipe. Frosted, fudgy brownies that are sure to make you happy. For details on the recipe, visit the link in the description. Here's a look at the ingredients for the brownies. 1½ cups sugar, 1 cup of shortening, 4 eggs at room temperature, a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, Dutch processed, a teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of coarsely processed cashew nuts. Add the sugar and shortening to a bowl. Beat well till fluffy. Now add 1 egg at a time while beating. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Beat till it's nice and pale and creamy. Meanwhile, into another bowl, sift the flour and the cocoa powder. Stir well with a fork or whisk till evenly mixed. Don't skip this step. By now, the sugar and egg mixture is ready. See how pale and creamy it looks? Turn off the beaters and fold in the dry flour and cocoa mixture with a spatula. Beat again till smooth, wiping down the sides of the bowl. If the mixture seems a little resistant to beating, and only if so, you can add 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Next, add vanilla extract, salt, and the processed cashew nuts. Fold through with a spatula. No more beating. You can see that this makes a fairly thick batter. I have found that light-colored aluminum baking pans are best for making these brownies. Grease a wide 8 to 9 inch square baking pan and lightly flour it. Spoon the batter into the pan. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. As oven temperatures may vary, check after 45 minutes. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out fairly clean. Now here are the ingredients for the frosting. Butter, cocoa powder, icing sugar, evaporated milk, vanilla extract. Beat these together till nice and smooth. You can further heat the mixture in the microwave for a couple seconds to make it silky smooth. Once the brownie has cooled completely, you can add the frosting over the top and spread. I find that chilling the brownies for a while helps in cutting. It also helps to set the frosting. Moist, frosted, fudgy brownies that we love. and we hope you love too. Let us know if you tried the recipe. For this and many more recipes, visit recipiesaresimple.com. Thanks for watching.